Welcome to aminacademy.com. In fluid mechanics, regarding momentum and energy correction factor, let us discuss about energy correction factor alpha. The kinetic energy of the fluid flowing through the elementary ring of radius r and the width dr per second is given by kinetic energy equal half into mass into u square, which is equal half mass. We can write rho dq into u square. So which is further half into rho u 2 pi r dr into u square, which is equal half rho into 2 pi r 2 pi r u cube u into u square is u cube, which is equal pi rho r u cube dr. Now this is kinetic energy with velocity u. Now total actual kinetic energy per second fluid flowing through per second is 0 integral 0 to r pi rho r u cube dr, which is equal 0 to r pi rho r 1 by 4 mu minus dou p by dou x and r squared minus r squared the cube dr. Now let us take the constant out of integration, that is pi rho 1 by 4 mu minus dou p by dou x the cube into integral 0 to r, then r squared minus r squared the cube r dr, which is equal pi rho into 1 by 4 cube is 64 mu cube into minus dou p by dou x the cube 0 to r. Here r squared minus r squared whole cube expanding is r power 6 minus r power 6 minus 3 r power 4 r squared plus 3 r squared r power 4 r dr, which is equal pi rho into 1 over 64 mu cube minus dou p by dou x the cube 0 to r, multiply with r, thing is r cube r power 6 r minus r power 7 3 r 4 r cube plus 3 r squared r 5 dr. Now further pi rho 1 by 64 mu cube minus dou p by dou x the cube. After integrating with respect to small r and substituting the values of r and 0 for constant limit of integration, we will get r power 8 over 2 minus r power 8 over 8 minus 3 r power 8 over 4 plus 3 r power 8 over 6 pi rho r over 64 mu cube minus dou p by dou x the cube. After simplification, this expression will get r power 8 over 8. Now kinetic energy of the flow. Kinetic energy of the flow based on average velocity you can write as half into mass into u bar the square, which is equal half rho a u bar into u bar square equal to half rho a u bar cube. Substituting where a equal pi r square. Now from here we have u bar equal, after simplifying it become 8 mu minus dou p by dou x r cube r squared here. So then we can do kinetic energy of the fluid per second equal half rho by r squared 1 by 8 mu minus dou p by dou x r squared the whole cube. So which is equal 1 by 2 rho pi r square into 1 over 8 cube is 64 into 8 mu cube minus dou p by dou x the cube into r power 6, because r squared power cube. R squared in power 3 is r power 6. So which is, after simplifying, we'll get rho pi r squared over 128 into 8 mu square 8 mu cube into dou p by dou x minus whole cube into r power 8. Therefore, factor of correction alpha equal kinetic energy per second based on actual velocity based on actual velocity of the fluid over kinetic energy per second based on average velocity. Then both expression above is divided. We have pi rho by 64 mu cube minus dou p by dou x the cube into r power 8 by 8 complete division over rho by 128 into 8 mu cube minus dou p by dou x the cube by r power 8 into r power 8. So we have all terms cut. So we have finally 128 into 8 over 64 into 8, which is equal to, therefore we'll get alpha equal to 2. We proved. We have done. Please subscribe our YouTube channel.